nervous much? I think so. First run was clean, not as fast as I thought it would have been. Let's send it. Stop, 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 stop. I've seen better. Bearings maybe freeing up a bit now. New bearings, all new bearings fitted on her, so we'll see how that fared. Seemed like it was revving better that time. Oh, I'm a bundle of nerves, I really am. But she sounded like she was revving better that time. Maybe freeing up a bit. So we'll see. My headset moved, so I don't know whether I'm looking at the right thing or not. Beautiful. Let's get a quick speed. See what we got. Whether or not I go again, I don't know, but let's see what that was like. So, stop, read, 147 again. Oh dear. So, that's matched it. What can I say? I have, let me move away from the car here. I put 0 degrees hinge pin on it. Sorry, hinge pin holder on it. And changed all the bearings in all 4 corners. Stuck a Scorched RC lock and diff on the back. Although not there, nothing else has changed. Setup is exactly the same as it was whenever I was doing the 150. So I'm hoping that I'll see some gains as the car frees up. Maybe she's a bit tight. Like you've seen the video there, she all spins freely, the wheels all spin freely. So I don't understand. Now the temperature's down. It's only 15 degrees here tonight. The night I done the 150, it was 30, just over 30 degrees. So there's a fair bit of difference in the temperature. Whether or not that makes that much difference in the batteries, I don't know. But it's too hard to tell with all the other adjustments that I've made on the car. What are you gonna do? Glad that it's going straight, yes. Very glad that it's going straight. I had a full week where I went out 3 or 4 times and I crashed every single time. Scared myself stupid. So look, let's just send it again. See what we get. Another 147, I'd be happy. I would be happier if I seen 150. Roads sort of halfway decent. Down that way, a bit of traffic, but it's a good run. And then that one, I don't know if you recall the video, but that's what I hit the last time. You can only just see, can you see the bump in it? There's a bump just there. So we top up the battery. 3 runs here tonight, they all seem to be about the same. What are we up to now? So, not a bad old gadget. BMW obviously, battery in the boot, some job. We'll get another run. You can see there, a spin there, there's no spins freely. So, I don't know what's different. Everything's exactly the same. It's all exactly the same. So it is.